Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a little tool review. This is the Hart half-inch impact from Walmart. This is the higher end version. There's like a $130 one, and then this is like $170. This has up to 600 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. I really wanted a product like this to use at the racetrack for 2023. We're going to test it out today and see how well it works. We are living on the edge today, and we're not using impact sockets. We're just using these chrome ones from Cobalt. They get the job done. Now, whenever I was using it to begin with, before putting it on the truck or putting the socket on, it did not seem like it had all that much torque. But once it's on, it broke these off like it was nothing. One thing I like about this tool is that it has 3 different power settings. Now, ripping them off, I use it on basically max on level 3. But putting these back on, I put it on 1, and it's really nice. It'll just snug them up. Does not over torque them at all. On the other side of the truck, we decided just to try on level 2 and see if it'll break it loose, which it did. It just took a good bit longer. So I'm not sure what just happened here. It shut off on me. It was kind of torquing pretty hard, and then it shut off. I don't know if there's a safety device in it or what, but I took the battery out, put it back in, and it fired right back up. I did want to note something here, that this battery is the smaller of the batteries you can get with Hart. I was able to get all 4 wheels and tires done, zip them off and zip them back on, and then I even got to the next little project, which is here on the 4-wheeler. Oddly enough, plenty of power to do all of it. Had no issues besides that one time it kicked off on me. Like I said earlier, the main reason I wanted this half-inch impact was to do wheels and tires on the 4-wheelers, not necessarily the trucks or cars. It will make life easier all the way around. This is a cheaper tool, but so far it seems to be getting the job done. So my final thoughts on this Hart 20-volt half-inch impact. I like it. It's a good little tool. It's a little bit on the cheaper side. You can kind of feel it in your hand. It's lightweight, which again is nice. It's got different power levels, which you can kind of tune it to do different jobs here and there. Now, if you're jumping into doing some like work that has a lot of rust on it, the nuts and the bolts are really rusted tight, I don't think it's going to have a lot of power to break those loose. But if you're just doing wheels and tires, like kind of what I want it for, it's going to be perfect. It is kind of on the entry level, the cheaper end. Harbor Freight has some that are kind of the same ones as the Hercules, but that one actually has I'm pretty sure it's got a couple hundred more pounds of foot-pounds of breakaway torque. But either way, I like it. I'm happy with it. I just want to see what the longevity of this is. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to ask. And always, God bless.